Please like and subscribe. Now imagine a world where money isn't controlled by banks. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? But it's not. Welcome to cryptocurrency. Let's start with the basics. What is cryptocurrency? As the name suggests, it's a form of currency, much like the dollar, the euro, or the yen, but instead of being printed on paper or minted in metal, it's digital or virtual. Picture it as a kind of invisible money that you can't touch or hold in your hand, but has real value. Now you might be thinking, we already have digital money, I use my credit card all the time. But here's the thing, cryptocurrencies are different. They're not just digital versions of existing currencies, they're entirely new kinds of money created and stored electronically. What makes them special? Cryptography. It's the science of secure communication, and it's what ensures that transactions with cryptocurrencies are safe and secure. Cryptography is also what prevents people from creating counterfeit cryptocurrencies, making them incredibly reliable. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of cryptocurrency is its decentralization. Unlike traditional money, which is controlled by banks and governments, cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by any institution. They're decentralized, which means they're maintained by networks of computers across the globe. In this sense, you can think of cryptocurrency as digital gold. Just like gold, it isn't controlled by any government. It's valuable, it's limited, and it's not easy to get. But unlike gold, you can send cryptocurrency across the globe in minutes without the need for a bank or any other middleman. So in essence, cryptocurrencies are more than just a new kind of money. They're a whole new way of thinking about what money is and how it works. They challenge the idea that banks and governments have to be at the center of our financial systems. Cryptocurrency, then, is a revolutionary way to handle money. A digital gold that's not under the thumb of any bank or government. It's a fascinating new frontier in the world of finance, and we're just beginning to explore its potential. So how does this digital gold, this cryptocurrency, actually work? Let's start with the backbone of cryptocurrency, the blockchain. This might sound complex, but think of it as a public ledger, a record book, if you will, where every single transaction made since the birth of a particular cryptocurrency is stored. Yes, every single one, from the very first to the one that just happened a second ago. Now let's break it down further. The term blockchain is pretty self-explanatory when you think about it. It's a chain made up of blocks. But in this context, a block is a list of transactions, so the chain is essentially a series of these blocks, each linked to the one before it, forming a complete history of transactions. But who maintains this ledger? It's not a single entity like a bank or a government. Instead, it's a network of communicating nodes running the cryptocurrency software. These nodes work together, verifying and recording each transaction on the blockchain. This decentralization is key to the appeal of cryptocurrency. There's no central authority that can be compromised, and the record of transactions is transparent and open to anyone who wants to see it. So when you make a transaction, it's like saying to this network, "Hey, I'm sending some of my digital gold to this person." The network notes this transaction, verifies it, and adds it to the blockchain. This transaction, once recorded, cannot be changed or erased. It's permanent, etched into the very fabric of the cryptocurrency. This is why cryptocurrencies are often referred to as trustless systems. You don't need to trust a bank or a government to handle your money. The system itself, with its transparency and immutability, becomes the source of trust. So the heart of cryptocurrency is this blockchain, a public, unchangeable record of all transactions. It's like a massive public bank statement for the entire currency. Now you might be wondering, how do you get your hands on this digital gold? Well, there are a few ways. One method is through mining. This isn't the pickaxe and hard hat type of mining, though. In the world of cryptocurrency, mining involves using powerful computers to solve incredibly complex mathematical puzzles. When these puzzles are solved, a new block is discovered and added to the blockchain, and the miner is rewarded with some cryptocurrency. But if mathematical puzzles aren't your thing, don't worry, you can also buy cryptocurrency directly from exchanges, much like you'd buy stocks or foreign currencies. And just like traditional money, you can also receive cryptocurrencies as payment for goods or services. So whether you're a digital prospector mining for crypto gold or simply buying it from an exchange, there's a method for you. Whether you're mining or buying, remember, cryptocurrency, like any investment, carries risk. It's a wild new frontier in finance. But why should you care about cryptocurrency? What's the big deal? Well, let's dive right into it. Cryptocurrency, at its core, is a new form of money. It's digital, decentralized, and operates independently of traditional banking and government systems. And it's these unique characteristics that make it so valuable and impactful. Firstly, cryptocurrencies have shown tremendous potential for high returns as an investment. It's like the Wild West of the financial world. Volatile, yes, but with volatility comes the opportunity for immense growth. We've seen people turning modest investments into fortunes almost overnight, but remember, with great potential reward comes great risk. So it's essential to approach this with an informed and cautious mindset. Secondly, cryptocurrency can act as a hedge against inflation. Traditional currencies are subject to inflation, meaning their value can decrease over time as governments print more money. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, often have a fixed supply. Take Bitcoin, for example. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, and this scarcity can help maintain or even increase its value over time. Next, consider the power of fast, cheap, and borderless transactions. Imagine sending money to another country in seconds with minimal fees, no matter the amount. That's a reality with cryptocurrencies. It's like having a bank in your pocket that operates 24/7 without the need for intermediaries or hefty fees. But perhaps the most compelling advantage of cryptocurrency is its potential to democratize finance. There are billions of people worldwide without access to traditional banking systems. Cryptocurrencies can provide these individuals with a means to save, trade, and transact. It's a tool that can empower the unbanked and underbanked, giving them greater control over their financial futures. Cryptocurrency is more than just digital gold. It's a tool that can democratize finance, break down barriers, and potentially reshape the global economy. So the next time someone asks you, why does cryptocurrency matter, you'll have a few answers up your sleeve. So we've taken a whirlwind tour of the world of cryptocurrency. We've demystified it for you, explained its inner workings, and shown you how to acquire it. We've also discussed why it matters in today's digital world. Remember, cryptocurrency is not just a buzzword, it's a financial revolution. Cryptocurrency is a complex, rapidly changing field, but with knowledge comes power. And now, you've got a bit of that power in your hands. Thanks for watching.